So hello guys out there. Let me just keep it real short and simple. I'm from the USA. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I'm a black female. And I just visit Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. I went to a few places in Nigeria. I really enjoyed it. But one thing, if you don't mind me speaking, I just want to speak what's on my heart. It's fucked up, that airport. Murtala Mutala, whatever the fuck his name is. It's fucked up out of there. I love my Nigerian music. I love my background. But, I'm trying to get in touch with Africa. And coming to the motherfucking motherland, this bullshit, this motherfucking airport. How does represent us? When I go to motherfucking Italy, because I travel Italy, go everywhere, Jamaica, go all over this motherfucking world. Then I finally get to motherfucking Africa, the motherland. Like, oh my God. I'm at home. This the motherfucking God of the motherland. This bullshit ass airport. The motherfucking machines don't work. My luggage got lost. Who the fuck is taking over this shit? So I was doing a little research and shit about these motherfucking political parties. Now I ain't in political. I ain't no motherfucker who know political science and all that shit, or know about, your government, all this shit. I'm not into that. But what I could say is, I know who shouldn't be over that bullshit. This little motherfucking, what I was telling you, Moses, PDP. That motherfuckers, the ones they sent the video, and the motherfuckers fell off the video. How the fuck y'all gonna rule a nation and y'all can't even build a podium? Anyway, the one I was researching about is, what the fuck was his name? Sowore, the AAC. I like that party now. Y'all need to get it. They talking real good shit. About Nigeria. And I'm American. I'm a black American. I don't know how y'all do shit there. But I know this money needs to be in the motherfucking hands of a responsible party. Okay? I guess that I'm in a motherfucking hotel in, what's that, Lakey, and shit. Why the motherfucking lights went off? I'm like, what the fuck is going on? The motherfucking lights went off. I'm not used to that shit. I'm in America. We got lights burning all the fucking time. Where is y'all fucking lights? Nigeria? The motherfucking lights went off. I'm like, what the fuck is this, the end of the world? I done came all the way to motherfucking Nigeria. This some bullshit. Some bullshit, APC and PDP. Y'all got, where the fucking lights at? Goddamn, the lights is on the timer. Oh hell nah, I almost motherfucking fainted when I got there. And the motherfucking lights went off, the motherfucking airport fucked up, the lights that went off. Y'all need a better party. It's fucked up. Y'all ain't representing the motherland at all. Get that shit together. AAC, turn that shit out. Sorry for president, take that shit back. Okay? Take it back. Like I said, I'm American, but I know that shit was fucked up in Nigeria, y'all. Y'all can be mad all y'all want, but I'm gonna tell y'all, ain't no motherfucker gonna tell y'all the truth but a motherfucking stranger. When you live in a place, only person tell you the truth is a stranger that come into your house. And I'm coming down to motherfucking motherland. That shit fucked up. I'm not happy with that bullshit at all.